2010 Honda CRV. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. I already reset it, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it anyway. So put your key in the ignition and turn it twice. You don't want to turn the you don't want to turn the engine on, just turn the car on. And then you're going to use this little button over here, and you're going to bring up your oil life right there, and you're going to hold this down. It's roughly about 10 or 15 seconds. Just keep holding it down and you'll see this other screen come up. So just keep holding it down, and then once you get to this part, you're going to twist this knob and you're going to bring it to oil life. See that? And then you're going to push that, and then once you get this up, you'll usually have like 0% in service B or whatever. But once you get to this point, you're going to hold this down. It's going to be roughly about 10 seconds again, and then it's going to reset, and that will reset your oil life, and you should be good to go. You can go back through your screen, but just remember that you twist this button to bring it up to the oil life to go through the cancel and oil life and stuff. So there you go.